Hi, hope you well. This is my WPF chatbot. This is my visual class. This was part 2. This was also part 2. This is the cyber code. We don't really need to show you this code, but this is it. It's been implemented with WPF. This is the task manager. So here is part 3. Represents the task object, shows status of the task, this title, description, reminder. This lists all the tasks created in the task item. This adds a task. This sets a reminder, this method. Get task, delete, and this was marked as completed. This is delete. And now we go on to the quiz game. This is basically the list for the quiz game. Right, I think I forgot to add comments here, but this is basically is easy, question, answer, explanation option. This is my Windows YAML. So this is basically, I made a rich text box. This sends the user button and send button. Basically that's it. And this is the main one. So this we have activity log tracking, task manager flow, the quiz state. This displays the voice interaction, which will not work on my VM, but if you have to take this code here and put it on a laptop, it should work. This displays the ASCII art. This loads the question to the quiz feature. And this is the code. Greeting process from the chatbot, that's like part 2. Handles description entry after add task. So this is the method for that. Show log, show more if more than 5. So that was in the POE, that's part 3. Task detection from phrases, quiz start, quiz answer logic, task creation. I'm so sorry I'm rushing, but I got like 10 minutes. Reminder setting, view task, complete and delete task. Interest and sentiment analysis. This is from part 2. Mood-based chat color. So that basically adds color to the chat. Final response generation. And then show recent activity. So this shows basically in the part 3 was the show log, the activity log. And then this is basically the NLP asking to remind the user for the set a reminder, and that. This is basically your score answer. I have it here. Show message after quiz taken depending on score. Let's check the quiz's answer. It says incorrect or correct and gives an explanation. Add formatted messages to the rich text box, which gives it the color. And basically that's it. Now we will run the chatbot. So I'm not going to show part 2 a lot. I will just show 1-2 things, but it should be fine. So this is it. So Shy is the name. Okay, so first things first, we're going to add a task. I'm going to name it Shy. Please provide a description for Shy. Shy loves cookies. Want a reminder? Yes, remind me in 5 days. These examples are bad, but I'll make another one. I'll remind you to Shy in 5 days. So now we're going to add another one. Add task, phone mom. This one here should be better. I need to phone my mother. Phone mom, want a reminder? Yes, remind me in 2 hours. I already did days. There we go. I'll remind you to phone mom in 2 hours. Now show task. There we go. Shy loves cookies. I need to phone my mother. Right? Now we'll say show log. There we go. See, so that's it. And then we say start quiz. What is phishing? Incorrect. Phishing tricks user. That's basically part 3, because you have to say whether it's incorrect or correct, and you get it. So it always comes up. I'm just going to do this thing real quick. I'm not even reading the questions. That's false. Okay, so that's the message. What else would you like to know? Sorry, I'm interested in, I don't think that's how you spell interested. 1 second. I'm interested in passwords. There we go. Now I'm gonna show log again. It's also with the POE, what the POE asks for. I think the POE asks for what have you done for me. So let's try that. What have you done for me? And there we go. Add a task, set reminder, played quiz game. Now we can show more, and it should tell you the rest of the work. A recent activity, identified interest, password. So that was my part 2, but I implemented in WPF, as you can see. And basically, I think I am done. So that's it. Thank you very much, ma'am. I will see you.